Welcome back to SCQ. You're watching the opening match in the best of three quarterfinal series. The scores are Jamaica College on 5, Calabar High on 7. You'll have noticed JC picked up a point. The answer given to the chemistry question, the formula for propanol, C3H7OH, is indeed correct and has been accepted by the judges. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Calabar High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who gave Moses his name?
Moses' name. His mother, Jochebed.
Pharaoh's daughter. What is the name for the section of the adrenals which secrete adrenaline?
Adrenal, medulla.
That's right. Does the word ostracize mean to exclude or include? Sorry?
Exclude.
That's right. Who is the U.S. Secretary of the Interior?
Deb Haaland.
That's right. What is the official monetary currency of Angola?
Angola Kwanzaa.
That's right. Concord is the capital of which U.S. state?
Hampshire.
New
Sorry?
Hampshire.
That's correct. Which Italian composed the Four Seasons?
Anthony Valdi.
That's right. What is the formula for stibnite?
SB2, S3.
That's right. What is 20% of 1700?
2017, 340.
340.
That's right. In the movie Despicable Me 2, who voiced the character Lucy?
You have that? Pause.
Kristen Wiig. In what year did Barbados gain its status as a republic?
Republic. Yeah,
2021.
That's correct. Who scored Jamaica's second goal in their 3-2 loss to Panama in their World Cup qualifying match?
Jamaican cousin.
Andre Gray. What was the nationality of the physicist Andre Marie Ampere? The answer is French, but well done, gentlemen, for your first minute. Jamaica College, coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, out of which specific woman did Jesus cast 7 devils?
Mary Magdalene.
That's right. What is the name for the section of the adrenals which produces aldosterone?
Cortex.
That's right. Does the word commodious mean roomy or cramped?
Rumi.
That's right. Who is the U.S. Secretary of Agriculture?
Deb Haaland.
Tom Vilsack. What is the official monetary currency of Armenia?
Armenian Jam.
That's right. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Vermont?
Montpellier.
That's right. Which Italian composed La Traviata?
Giuseppe Verdi.
That's correct. Specifically, which 2 acids combine to give royal
Nitric and
water?
hydrochloric acid.
Once more time.
Nitric and hydrochloric acid.
Concentrated nitric and concentrated hydrochloric, judges. What is 40% of 900?
40 times 10. 360.
That's right. In the movie Despicable Me 2, who voiced the character Eduardo?
Rusty Brand.
Benjamin Bratt. In what year did Antigua and Barbuda gain its independence?
1981.
That's correct. Who scored Mexico's winning goal in their World Cup qualifying match against Jamaica in January?
Kevin Lozano.
Alexis Vega. What was the nationality of the physicist?
French.
Daniel Bernoulli was Swiss. But well done, JC, for your first minute. Calabar, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. What is the Spanish for the suitcase?
La maleta.
Correct. Who wrote the play A Marriage Proposal?
Henry.
Anton Chekhov. In which Jamaican parish would you find the Abutnot Gallimore High School?
St. Anne.
Correct. In the Bible, which of Paul's traveling companions was also known as Silvanus?
Sylvanus. Salas.
Correct. Exactly where is the piriformis muscle in the human body?
Exactly.
So it's in the upper back.
It's between the hip and the buttocks. Change the following sentence to the passive voice. He has posted a card.
A card has been posted by him.
Correct. Which United Nations body uses the abbreviation ECLAC? ECLAC.
Economic Commission of Latin America.
And the Caribbean.
That's right. Which Jamaican is the chef de cabinet of the UN Secretary General?
You have that?
Hold on. Quentin Rache.
That's right. What is the generic name of the natural light display in the sky caused by electrons colliding with atoms of the upper atmosphere?
Northern Lights.
Aurora. Which international gospel artist released the song Wanna Be Happy?
Be happy.
Kirk Franklin.
That's right. What is the name given to the outermost electrons in an atom? And those are valence electrons. Well done, Calabar, for your second minute. Gentlemen of JC, coming back over to you now for your second minute. What is the Spanish for the receipt?
Recite.
El Recibo. Who wrote the play Major Barbara?
Professor Everly.
George Bernard Shaw. In which Jamaican parish would you find the Belfield High School?
St. James.
Manchester. In the Bible, which disciple of Jesus was also known as Cephas?
Peter.
That's right. What is the name of the nerve with the largest diameter in the human body?
Sciatic nerve.
Good. Change the following sentence to the active voice. A car was being driven by her.
She drove the car.
She was driving a car. Which United Nations body uses the abbreviation IOM?
IOM. Yeah. Pass.
International Organization for Migration. Who is the Nigerian High Commissioner to Jamaica?
Maureen Tamuno.
That's correct. Which constellation is named after the daughter of Cassiopeia, queen of ancient Ethiopia?
Soterios.
Andromeda. Which international gospel artist released the 2015 song Yes You Can?
Yes, you can. Alright. Tasha Cobbs.
Marvin Sapp. What is the process of removing or adding electrons called?
Ionization.
That's right. That's well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. Gentlemen of Calabar, coming back over to you now for your third minute. A man bought a stove for $2,100 and sells it at a profit of 10%. What was the sale price?
$2,310.
That's right. The song See You Again by Wiz Khalifa is featured on the soundtrack for which movie?
Fast and Furious.
Which one?
7.
7 came first, correct. In which year did Christopher Columbus land in Cuba on his first trip to the Caribbean?
First trip. First
492.
voyage.
That's correct. Which country was the winner of the 2014 FIFA World Cup for senior men?
Germany.
That's right. 2 of the 4 fundamental forces in nature are the electromagnetic and the gravitational forces. Name one of the other 2.
Sonic force.
Correct. What is the future tense first person singular of the Spanish verb decir?
So,
Come.
Desiree.
Dire, who is the author of the novel The Book Thief?
Book thief. Ezra Miller.
Marcus Zusak. The district of Blenheim is the birthplace of which
That's number
Jamaican
70.
national hero? Correct. In the Bible, which king of Israel was also named Jedediah?
Jedediah. Solomon.
That's right. What is the suffix used in biology to indicate spiral-shaped bacteria? Spirillum, spirilla, or spirillus? I don't think that's what you said. But well done, Calabar, for your third and final minute there. JC, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. A gardener bought a lawnmower for $2,500 and sold it at a loss of 20%. What was the sale price?
500 man. 2,000.
$2,000.
Correct. The song I by Kendrick Lamar was featured on the soundtrack for which movie?
Black Panther.
The Intern. In which year did Christopher Columbus land in Venezuela?
1498.
That's right. Which country was the winner of the 2010 FIFA
Spain.
World Cup for senior men? Spain. If a planet A is 64 times the volume of planet B, how do their surface areas compare numerically?
1/8.
Planet A has 16 times the surface area of B. Judges, what is the past participle of the Spanish verb escribir?
Escrito.
That's right. Who is the author of the novel Paper Towns?
John Green.
That's right. The district of Roxborough is the birthplace of which?
Mama Mali.
That's right. In the Bible, which son of Jacob was also called Zaphanath Paneah?
Joseph.
That's right. What is the scientific name for a single bacterium with a spherical shape?
For Carl sauce. Cocos. Cocos.
That's right. Spell ascertain, which means to make sure.
A-S-C-R-T-A-I-N.
One more time.
A-S-C-R-T-A-I-N.
I believe that was before the bell. Well done, JC, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores are Jamaica College on 26, Calabar High just ahead on 30. And when we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The best of 3 quarterfinals in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.